Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so we are now at something super special. I want to show it to you. It's the golf lounge. Whoa, let's go see the golf lounge. Can't wait to show this off. This is so cool. This is a big, massively big room. It's got this huge TV here. It's massive, and now the real deal is the golf lounge. This is so cool. So you see it set up. It's got the kind of the putting area or the driving area, and that's here. This is actually HD Sports Suite. So you can see it's got primarily golf, but it's got other things as well. It's got, you can do football here. Looks like you can kick a football and do that as well. You can do, looks like baseball even. You can do, looks like even maybe shooting. That's pretty cool. Pitching, wow. So anyway, really, really cool area. One of my, this is one of the most funnest golf simulation areas I've ever seen. And it's really rare to see these. I've seen just really a handful here in Frisco, Plano. So it's really cool to see it. All right, this is the golf simulation room, golf lounge, and just want to show this off. Let's go to the next feature on the next video.